What's going on, YouTube? Update on the recycle project. First I want to give a shout out to this fool from Arizona, the Fastify dude. Give me this idea, and Mr. Hernandez, I believe it's a E3H Hernandez. So thanks to those dudes, always liking my videos, commenting on it. I appreciate it. So this dude from Arizona gave me this idea. After his painting, whatever stencil, some said this is about Dorito. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna shape those the 13mm square on the Mazda logo. I'm gonna shape it down, and then I'm gonna do a CNC that says Dorito power it, or power it by Dorito, or either a Dorito inside. So that's the idea. So let me shape this down, make it nice and flat, and then we're gonna do a CNC. Or let's see how it's looking. It's getting there. Stupid tripod, I forgot a little bezel. That's why I can't show you how I'm doing it. But you get the idea. Grab a grinder. I need two hands, so let me pause it and then let me see the progress. Well, let's see how it's going. It's getting there almost. Let me do a little bit more, take the bump off, and then we're gonna sand it down. Okay, the letters are gone. Now we're gonna have to try to get it flat and smooth. You see how it's gonna look? I'll be right back. Okay, an update. This is how it looks now. So now we're gonna have to go on and do some CNC. Comment below what's the best saying for this one right here. Maybe I'll sand it down so it can be a little bit more flat. But yeah, let me bring the other one so I can put it side by side. Alright, so there's how it was. Another, we shaved it. A little too shine. Try to cover the shape. You get the idea. Oh, there you go. So yeah, now we're ready to engrave CNC. Leave a comment below. Let's see what you put in there. Thanks for watching.